Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Cutie from the Friday Night Funkin Mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I would recommend drawing in pencil first. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the face. Draw a line down. And then at the bottom, curve it out to the right and back into the left. Let's draw the eyes next. Draw an angled oval in the right side of the face here. And then color it in black. Now add a thick angled line on the right side for the eyelash. Now draw the left eye in the same way, but make it a bit bigger and angled in the opposite direction. Next, add the nose underneath with a sideways V shape. Let's add the mouth next. Draw a hooked curve under the left eye. And then one more smaller one. Now add a slanted curve underneath. Let's add the eyebrows next with small ovals above each eye. And then color them both in black. Let's draw the hair next. Draw a long curve on the left side of the face. Then one more to the left that starts at the same height, but it's shorter at the bottom. Now connect them with an angled curve. Now draw two curves above the eyes like this. From the right line, draw a straight line out. And then a curve above for this section of hair. And then add a small curve inside at the bottom. Now let's hop to the left side and draw a large curved section of hair here. And then one more curve to close off the bangs. Now let's add one more section of hair on the outer left like this. Next at the top, step in slightly and draw a curve up. And now a small curve up on the right side as well. Connect the two lines with a wavy curve for the top of the head. Lastly, for the hair, let's add a small curved section of hair above on the left with two curves. Let's draw the left arm now. From under the left piece of hair, draw a long angled line down and curve it in slightly at the bottom. And then for the outside of the arm, let's draw another long angled line, but bringing it out slightly at the bottom and curving it back in. Now connect them with the curve. Let's draw the body next. Under the head, draw a small curve down. And then one more curve under it on an angle. From the bottom of this line, draw two curves over to the arm, leaving a gap in between. Now add one more curve on the right side, and then curve it into the arm at the bottom as well. Let's draw the skirt now. From the bottom right of the hoodie, draw a diagonal line down, and then a curve over to the left. Draw three more of these sections over to the arm like this. Lastly, for the shirt here, let's draw a cute skull. Draw two curved lines down from the face, and then 3 U shapes to close it off. Now inside the skull, draw a sideways heart shape for the winking eye. And then to the right, a sideways T shape like this. Let's draw the right arm holding the microphone now. On the right side, draw a large 90 degrees bent curve here. Then close off the sleeve with a wavy line like this. Let's draw the microphone next. Draw a large circular curve above the sleeve, but overlapping the face a little bit. Now erase the face line inside. Then add the detailed curves inside the microphone. Next, add a diagonal line between the microphone and the body for the top of the arm. And lastly, for the microphone, add a small diagonal line at the bottom of the sleeve, and then curve it in. Let's draw the legs and feet next, starting with the left side. Draw 2 angled curves under the left side of the skirt. And then close it off with a curve at the bottom. Next, add the sole of the shoe like this. Now inside the leg, add a curve across for the top of the shoe. And then a flat semicircle shape inside. Let's draw the right side now. Draw 2 short lines down, and then a line across the bottom that is longer on either side. From the left side, draw a hook curve under, and then another one, making it a bit longer like this. Now add a wavy curve on the right to close off the sock. Let's draw the shape of the shoe now. Draw a curve down on the left, and then the shape of the shoe out on the right. And now curve across the bottom to close it off. And then add the sole of the shoe underneath like this. Now add a rectangular curve inside the top of the shoe. Lastly, let's add one more section of hair on the right side next to the microphone. And that's it for Cutie. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.